Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today with me I got the speaker from Mivi, the Mivi Roam 2. And you have seen the title already, so watch the video till the end. It is going to be fun. I have been using products from Mivi for a long time and frankly speaking, they never disappointed me. Now let's see how this one performs. Let me remove the plastic film. So on the front side of the box, we can see some major specs are highlighted, which says the output we are going to get is a 5-watt AC sound, a playtime of 24 hours, and it comes with the Bluetooth 5.0. On the right side, I can see the best thing. It's engineered and made in India. Here on the left side, it got the slogan, push the limit. And finally, on the back, all the specs are printed. It comes with super solid bass with powerful drivers. We will check it shortly. We are getting a premium build quality with metallic grille. In this speaker, we are getting an interesting feature. If you are having a pair of these speakers, you can connect them for double sound. This got a compact design with IP68 rating, that is water and dust resistance, got a 2000 mAh battery, and we are getting a warranty of 1 year. So inside the box, we are getting this paperwork along with this warranty card, and the steps for claiming the warranty is mentioned on it. And here we go. It's the Mivi Roam to speaker. And along with this, we are getting this USB Type B and an aux cable. This comes in 4 color variants: red, black, green, and blue. Here we got a red one. Talking about the physical overview, the grills are made of aluminium. On the top, it got 4 buttons as usual. The first one is the power button, then comes the play pause button, and by pressing this button for a few seconds you can connect the speaker to another room to speaker, which I will show in a while. And last 2 buttons are for increasing and decreasing the volume, and it got a LED indicator as well. On the left, we got the micro USB charging port, the 3.5 mm jack, and a mic which can be used for calling purposes. On the right side, we are getting the lanyard and it's fixed quite tightly. It got the rubber fits on the bottom. It really feels light and comes with a compact design, and you can easily put it in the pocket. And the thick rubber coating makes the speaker a rugged one, and I think can save this from accidental drops. Now let's check how the output is. This sound device indeed amplifies the bass. If you got 2 Mivi Roam 2 speakers, you can pair them by pressing the play pause button for a few seconds as I told earlier. Now I will connect them and see how the output is. Okay, I feel the sound is great and it got a pretty good bass as well. What do you think about the sound device? Please do let me know in the comment section. By the way, before moving forward, if you are liking my work, a subscribe channel would be marvelous. Okay, now talking about the giveaway, I know it was supposed to happen a long back, but due to some troubles had to delay this. Maybe in some other video I'll be talking about that. But for now, if you want the Mivi Roam to speaker, all you need to do is like the video, hit the subscribe button, go to the comment section and comment anything you want with the hashtag TIGT. And the procedure to participate in the giveaway is really very simple, so please don't miss any of the steps, else you won't be eligible. The giveaway is open till 11th of this month, and if you are interested in buying this Mivi Roam 2 speaker, you can follow the link provided in the description. So that's it for the day. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.